going to be adding some salt. I want to season my chicken now. Okay, I'll add some thyme. I have my ginger, my garlic. Okay, then I'll be adding some diced onion to this. Okay, yes, you don't need to add any water yet. Okay, I want to allow the chicken to produce its own juice, all right, or its own water. Okay, so I'll also go ahead and add some seasoning cubes to this. I'll be using chicken seasoning. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Uju and you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting as always. So in today's video, I'll be trying out grandma's recipe. The reason why I tagged this to grandma's recipe is because my mom, who is a grandma now, does not remove any part of the chicken, be it the head, the tail, the legs. Like she used to say, her favorite part of the chicken is the legs. Okay, so I'll be using her recipe for this channel. Okay, so I've added everything I needed to add. I'll go ahead and give it a quick stir. These are live chicken. Okay, that's why you can see the head. Where is the head? Guys, look at the head. Sexy head. So guys, I'll just give this chicken a quick stir and cover it to cook for like 5 minutes. Okay, then come back, add some water and proceed to the next stage. Okay, all right. We'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so the chicken has been cooking for like, let's say 5 to 7 minutes now, and it has released its own juice. So I'll go ahead and give it a quick stir. Okay, like I said, these are hard chicken, live chicken. Okay, so it takes time to cook. All right, look at all that juice, guys. Wow, wow, wow. So I'll go ahead and give this a quick stir. Okay, I'll be adding some water because it takes time to cook, like I said before. So I want the chicken to be properly cooked. Okay, not much, this is fine. Okay, and allow this to cook till soft, okay, or till tender. Okay guys, so the chicken has been cooking so nicely. It is tender but not very tender, let's say 80-85% cooked. Okay, so I'll go ahead and grill it. Okay guys, so I'll go ahead and apply some vegetable oil on the chicken. Okay, chicken is properly grilled. Like, it looks so yummy, like yummy already. Okay, so let's move over to the next step. Okay guys, so because I'm making grandma's recipe, I added my blended tomatoes. So these are tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and bell peppers. Okay, I boiled it till it dries up the water, okay, the excess water. So because I'm making grandma's recipe, grandma does not use tomato paste, which is also known as tin tomatoes. So I just went ahead and added my, boiled or cooked tomato in here. I will go ahead and add groundnut oil to this, be it vegetable oil, coconut oil, almond oil. Use any oil of your choice. Okay, so I won't be frying it. I'll go ahead and just pour in the oil and then proceed from there. Okay, so I added my vegetable oil to this. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my chopped or diced onion. Guys, in case if you don't know, I love onions a lot. Okay, so but just add to your taste, add any quantity you like. So I went ahead and added my diced onion to this. Okay, I will allow this to boil nicely, but before then I will season this with some salt, some curry powder, I have my blended ginger. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add this quantity to this. Just a little more won't hurt. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stir this properly to combine. Just stir this properly. Okay guys, I'm going to cover this to cook for like 10 minutes, but I'll keep stirring it, okay, so that it does not burn. Okay guys, so this stew has been boiling for like 15 minutes now. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my habanero pepper. These are blended habanero pepper. Okay, grandma will always use nutmeg in her stew, so I'm adding my nutmeg, grounded nutmeg. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stir this. Stir nicely. Because I noticed that the stew is thick, so I'll be losing this up with my chicken stock. So I'll go ahead and add a bit of chicken stock to this. Okay, not all, this should be fine. Okay, stir it to combine. I think the consistency is fine now. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my grilled chicken. Okay guys, so these are the grilled chicken. Okay, it's time to add them now. So I'll go ahead and add. Guys, my hands are clean. Oh, do you see that? Okay, so add the chicken and then stir to combine. It looks so yummy already, like yum yum yum. Okay, so the reason why I added the chicken now is I want the stew or the tomato sauce to penetrate in the chicken. Okay, I want it so yummy, like so delicious. So I'll go ahead and taste for salt. It's perfect guys, does not need any salt or any seasoning cubes. It's just perfect. Okay, so I'll cover this up and allow it to cook for more 10 minutes. Okay guys, so the stew has been boiling for 10 minutes now. Okay, it is ready guys, so I'll go ahead and stir this. Okay, oh my god, woohoo! Ooh. I reduced the heat guys. So I'll be adding my last ingredient, which is, or rather grandma's last ingredient, which is curry leaves. Okay, yes, I'll add curry leaves to this. Stir this to combine. Wow guys, look, just look at the color, look at the popping, like look at the color. Is it not inviting? So I decided to tag this to grandma's stew because, you know, number one, grandma will never fry her stew. Okay, grandma does not fry her stew. Second reason is the fact that grandma does not like waste guys. Grandma doesn't like waste at all. Grandma adds all the parts of chicken, like all parts of chicken, including the chicken head. Guys, look at the chicken head. Grandma does not like waste at all. The next point is grandma will always cook her stew with nutmeg, curry leaves, and then there is only one ingredient I used for this recipe that grandma will never use in her recipes, which is seasoning cubes guys. Just maybe because I'm not grandma yet. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, turn the notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime I drop a video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, see you soon.